Welcome to MC Art Designs. In this video, I will show you the process of how I created this shark art piece. I used a black base that I get from Sherwin. The color is tricorn black. For the colors, I chose only 3 color shifting pigments, which worked great. I get these powder pigments from Fluidart company, and their pigments are really worth it. A little bit goes a long way, especially with these color shifters. You will see at the end of the video how 3 colors turned into 6 different colors and shades. I list all the colors in the video as I lay them down, and I will also list them in the description below along with a link to Fluidart company if you're interested. I hope you enjoy watching the process, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I will try and answer any questions as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for being here. Please like, share, and subscribe, and most importantly, enjoy the video. Hope to see you on the next one.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, oh. No, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.